Right here.
Large tornado.
Go ahead, Tom.
Yeah, I can see a big tornado.
There it is, right there. Go ahead, Tom.
It looks very, very big. Big tornado. It is on the ground. Gosh, the motion in there is crazy. It almost looks like a wedge tornado.
Custer
I mean,
City.
it is a big tornado. Take shelter.
Okay, Custer City, you have got to go to your safe spot now. Tornado warning. There is not a tornado warning for Custer City. This is coming right down the highway. It may go north of town, but this is south of Sunset. We can see it in Tom's shot. We can see it in Val's shot. A large tornado right now. Look at the motion right here on the left side of that tornado. This is a very dangerous situation in Custer County, north of Highway 33. I'm going to get you your streets, and we're going to go right back to our storm trackers. North 240 Road and East 930 are the county roads. Go ahead, Val. Give us an update.
All right, this thing is turning into a wedge tornado. I guarantee you we're starting to see the edge of it. We can see the south edge of it. It's on the ground. This is I guarantee you, this is a strong tornado. There's probably more to it than we are even seeing right now, but it's almost like the whole wall cloud's on the ground. It looks a lot like I've seen in some big F4 rain-wrapped tornadoes. I guarantee you it's on the ground. This is crazy stuff here. This is very dangerous. I mean, we're getting winds at the surface right now of 100 plus. 100 plus miles an hour.
Okay, this is a deadly tornado, folks. For folks ahead of this storm, it is moving to the east at about 15 miles per hour. Look at the motion that you're seeing live from Val and Amy Castor. We're also seeing that same shot from Tom Pastrano as well. Just want to keep their shot up to let folks know what this looks like, but we got to show you radar also of where this is. State Highway 183, U.S. Highway 183 is going to be crossed, okay, at about 930 Road will be the east-west. Let's query some of this data, Cassie, because this is a strong tornado now. This will be a deadly tornado. If you are not in the path of this storm, it's a great thing. If you are, you've got to be in the lowest level of your home. You've got to be in your safe spot, okay? If you are in a mobile home down the line, you cannot stay in a mobile home and take a hit from this tornado. A mobile home could be torn into just very small pieces in this type of a storm.